Hi my friend, welcome to watch my radio. Today I want to introduce one very top selling cleansers for you. It's very good. So today I want to make a test for you. To test it is the hydrating and cleaning effect. Okay, let me check. First, to see this packing. Let me open it. It has the head, and the texture comes outside is the mousse. Okay, let me to test my skin first. We have this tester. Right now, the number is 0% because my face didn't put anything. And then I will use this to test my face. Look, before my cleaning my face, the number of my skin is 60%. Okay, let me to test the cleanser to see it is the hair drying effect. Okay, let me check its packing. It is 150 ml, so it is very large, and it is large volume, so it is very enough for girls, for ladies to clean the face about 1 to 3 months. Okay, let me see. It is when I open it. Look, the foam is very rich. And also this brush can clean your face. Actually today I didn't make up, and later I will check to put some makeups on my hands to see its cleansing effect. Look, the foam, it is very rich. Why I want to introduce this cleanser? Because it is very the texture is mousse, and it contains the apple juice and the alone essence, and it can deeply help to clean the blackhead and purify the pores. And of course the price, it is very attractive. So I want to introduce these cleansers to you. For wholesale, it is very good. So look, it is very good, and also the foam is very soft. So okay, after clean it, I will check the after I clean my face, I check the hair drying effect and the moistures of my skin. Okay, let me to clean my face first. Hello, I already come back and clean my face. Okay, let's test. Look, it is 35% now. So right now I want to test another exam for this cleanser. to see it is the cleaning effect of our makeup, because I think many girls will want to clean your face with the makeup. So let me make it. I want to make a test on my face. First, to put some lipstick. Second, to put some strong lipstick. And then to put some eyebrows pencil. Okay, right now we need to clean them with our cleanser mousse. I think I think no supplier, I think most customer will afraid our factory's quality. So right now I want to make more video for you to see our factory's products. Actually, our products are very good with attractive price. So you can see, actually this cleanser, the foam, it is very rich. And the scent, the fragrance, it is apple juice scent, so it is very good. I think most almost ladies will like them. So I can use this to clean my hand. Look. Oh, it is very clean. So it is very effectively to clean our makeup with using our cleanser.